And today is April 29, 2023. And we have built a new cage extension to this cage. And here is Catcoot. He's gone through the hole. We cut a hole for the cats to go through. And there is actually a little bird in the cage. And Mish Mish is going crazy. Mish Mish, you don't know how to go to the other cage yet? I'll show you. And here is the new cage from outside. It took me a few days to put it together. Lots of work, but he did it to welcome Loki, our new Bengal leopard that we will get him soon from his owner next week. Let's open the gate and let the birdie go free. There she went. Okay. Daddy did an excellent job. Huh? Oh, here comes Miss Busa, coming to see what's for action. Hey, Miss Busa, good morning. You are here. Isn't it that nice? Hi, little girl. Little girl. Go through the open and go to the other side to check it out. Yeah, that's a smart girl. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, here it is. Here's where all the action. How about that? All four of them are here.